Effective lead generation for digital marketing agencies, tips and AI tools. Traditional methods no longer suffice. AI revolutionizes lead generation with automation, analytics, and personalized outreach, helping businesses connect with the right people at the right time. Discover top tips for AI-driven lead generation in this video. Tip #1: use AI-powered sales agents. AI tools like AnyBiz automate lead engagement, tailor messages, and schedule follow-ups to boost conversions. Features like email warming improve deliverability, letting agencies focus on strategy while AI optimizes in the background. Tip #2: hyper-personalization with predictive analytics. Generic messages don't work anymore. Tools like AnyBiz use AI and predictive analytics to tailor outreach based on prospects' behavior and needs, aligning messages with industry challenges and goals. This deep personalization builds trust and boosts conversions. Tip #3: AI-powered chatbots for real-time lead engagement. AI chatbots on websites instantly engage visitors, qualify leads, answer questions, and schedule meetings. This real-time interaction enhances customer experience and boosts lead conversion. Tip #4: use intent data to capture high-intent leads. Not everyone on your site is ready to buy, but some are close. AnyBiz uses intent data to identify engaged leads based on their actions, helping you focus on prospects likely to convert. Create tailored content like demos to turn interest into action. Tip #5: use automated video outreach for personalized prospecting. AI makes it easy to create personalized videos that capture attention and build connections. Tools like AnyBiz pair perfectly with video outreach, adding details like names or job roles to boost engagement and turn prospects into leads. Tip #6: create dynamic landing pages with AI. AI-driven landing pages adapt to each visitor, tailoring content and offers based on interests or behavior. Tools like AnyBiz create personalized pages to turn traffic into leads, while A/B testing with AI optimizes what works best. Tip #7: use smart segmentation and automated workflows. AI groups leads by behavior and readiness, helping you focus on those ready to buy while nurturing others. Tools like AnyBiz automate workflows, delivering the right message at the right time, keeping leads moving smoothly through the pipeline. Tip #8: boost social selling with AI. AI simplifies finding leads on social media by analyzing engagement. Tools like AnyBiz track activity, personalize outreach, and monitor interactions, helping you connect with interested prospects and maintain relationships effortlessly. Tip #9: use influencers and referrals to find new leads. Trusted sources like influencers and referrals drive quality leads. Partner with micro-influencers to promote your services and encourage happy clients to refer others. These trusted networks boost credibility and strengthen lead generation. Tip #10: cold email marketing. Cold emails remain a fast, cost-effective way to find clients. Tools like AnyBiz make it seamless with email warming, AI-driven targeting, personalized messages, and automated follow-ups. When done right, cold emails deliver quick, quality leads. Tip #11: use SEO to attract leads. SEO brings long-term leads by helping your business rank in search results when clients look for services like yours. Focus on keyword research, high-quality content, site optimization, and building backlinks to attract high-quality, relevant traffic. Don't miss out on our updates. Show your support by liking and subscribing to stay tuned.